Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into the world of text splitting for retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, and other natural language processing, NLP, tasks. We'll cover the 5 levels of text splitting, their strengths, weaknesses, and provide code examples using Python and langchain. Understanding text splitting and its importance. Before we jump into the levels, let's quickly recap why text splitting is so crucial. Asterisk context window limits. Asterisk large language models, LLMs, have limited input lengths, context windows. If you try to feed an entire book or a long document, it will likely exceed that limit. Asterisk relevance and efficiency. Asterisk passing irrelevant information to an LLM dilutes the signal and increases computation time. We want to provide only the most relevant parts of a document. Asterisk retrieval accuracy. Asterisk when using retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, you want to retrieve the most semantically meaningful chunks of text to provide context to the LLM. Splitting in the right way significantly impacts retrieval accuracy. Asterisk semantic coherence. Asterisk splitting must be done strategically so that resulting chunks remain semantically meaningful. Cutting a sentence in half or splitting a paragraph in the middle of its explanation usually defeats the purpose. The 5 levels of text splitting, and beyond. Here's a breakdown of the different levels, ranging from simple to more sophisticated techniques. 1. Character splitting. 2. Recursive character splitting. 3. Token splitting. 4. Semantic splitting. 5. Agentic splitting. Let's explore each of these with examples. Level 1, Character splitting. Asterisk concept. Asterisk splitting the text based on a fixed number of characters. This is the most basic approach. Asterisk pros. Asterisk simple to implement. Asterisk cons. Asterisk often leads to semantic breaks, splitting sentences or paragraphs midway, making the resulting chunks less meaningful. Poor for retrieval accuracy. Asterisk when to use. Asterisk when semantic integrity is not critical, and you need uniformly sized chunks for some specific application. Rarely the best choice for RAG. Asterisk code example, Python. Asterisk code example, langchain. Level 2, recursive character splitting. Asterisk concept. Asterisk this method tries to split text hierarchically, prioritizing certain separators, example \n\n, \n, dot, until the chunks are of the desired size. It's more intelligent than simple character splitting. Asterisk pros. Asterisk preserves semantic integrity better than character splitting. Tries to keep paragraphs, sentences, or words together. Good default choice for many RAG applications. Asterisk cons. Asterisk still relies on predefined separators, which may not always align perfectly with semantic boundaries. Can be brittle when used on poorly formatted or complex text. Asterisk when to use. Asterisk a good starting point for most text splitting tasks. Particularly useful when the text has a clear structure, paragraphs, sentences. Asterisk code example, langchain. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk recursive character text splitter splits based on characters, but it tries to respect the hierarchy of separators. By default, it will try to split on \n, then \n, then dot, then, and finally on characters. Asterisk the chunk underscore size and chunk underscore overlap parameters work similarly to the character text splitter. Level 3, token splitting. Asterisk concept. Asterisk splitting the text based on tokens, words, subwords, instead of characters. This is particularly important when dealing with models that have token-based input limits. Asterisk pros asterisk ensures that chunks are within the token limit of the LLM. Can be more semantically aware than character splitting because it considers word boundaries. Asterisk cons asterisk requires a tokenizer. The exact tokenization process can vary depending on the model, so you need to use a tokenizer that matches the LLM you're using. Can still split sentences midway. Asterisk when to use asterisk essential when you need to strictly adhere to token limits. Useful when working with models where token count is directly tied to cost or performance. Asterisk code example, langchain with tick token, OpenAI's tokenizer. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk token text splitter uses the tick token library, OpenAI's tokenizer, by default. Asterisk it splits the text into tokens and ensures that each chunk has a maximum of chunk underscore size tokens. Asterisk the chunk underscore overlap is also measured in tokens. Asterisk important asterisk tick token is needed. Pip install tick token if you don't have it. If you do not specify the tokenizer, it defaults to using tick token, which is OpenAI's tokenizer. Asterisk code example, langchain with hugging face transformers. If you are using a hugging face model, you will likely use the hugging face transformers tokenizer. This approach involves loading the model and tokenizer together, then using the tokenizer for splitting the text. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk tokenizing with hugging face model involves instantiating the tokenizer with the model's name, example birdbase uncast. You will need to change model underscore name with whatever model you are using. Asterisk then you can tokenize and detokenize the text using .tokenize, and .convert underscore tokens underscore to underscore string. Level 4, Semantic Splitting. Asterisk concept asterisk splitting the text based on semantic meaning, often using sentence embeddings. The goal is to keep chunks that are semantically related together. This is crucial for ensuring that the retrieved chunks contain relevant context for the query. Asterisk pros asterisk creates chunks that are semantically coherent. Can significantly improve retrieval accuracy compared to simple splitting methods. Better handles complex relationships between sentences and paragraphs. Asterisk cons asterisk more computationally expensive than other methods, requires calculating embeddings. Requires a good sentence embedding model. Can be sensitive to the quality of the embeddings. Asterisk when to use asterisk when high retrieval accuracy is paramount. When dealing with complex or nuanced text where semantic relationships are important. Asterisk code example, langchain with sentence transformers. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk sentence transformers text splitter uses the sentence transformers library to compute sentence embeddings. Asterisk it attempts to group sentences into chunks based on their semantic similarity. Sentences that are semantically close together are more likely to be in the same chunk. Asterisk you'll need to install sentence transformers, pip install sentence transformers. Asterisk the default model used is all-mini LML6v2, but you can specify a different one with model underscore name parameter. Level 5, Agentic Splitting. Asterisk concept asterisk using an LLM agent or a more complex algorithm to determine how to split the text. This is the most sophisticated and potentially the most effective approach. The LLM can be instructed to consider the document's structure, content, and the potential queries that users might ask, and then split the document in a way that maximizes the relevance of the retrieved chunks. Asterisk pros asterisk can adapt to the specific characteristics of the text. Can take into account the intended use case, example the types of questions that will be asked. Can potentially achieve the highest retrieval accuracy. Asterisk cons asterisk most complex to implement. Relies on a powerful LLM or a sophisticated algorithm. Can be computationally expensive. Requires careful prompting and tuning to achieve optimal results. Asterisk when to use asterisk when you need the absolute best retrieval accuracy and are willing to invest the time and resources to implement a more complex solution. When dealing with highly complex or heterogeneous documents. Asterisk conceptual code example, illustrative, requires more involved setup. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk this code is a conceptual outline. A real implementation would require more robust error handling, prompt engineering, and potentially more sophisticated chunk processing. Asterisk the core idea is to use an LLM to analyze the document and the types of queries that users might ask and then split the document into semantically coherent and highly relevant chunks. Beyond the 5 levels, combining techniques and advanced strategies. Asterisk metadata enrichment asterisk add metadata to each chunk, example document title, section heading, keywords. This helps with filtering and relevance scoring during retrieval. Asterisk document structure awareness asterisk develop custom splitters that are aware of the specific structure of your documents, example splitting based on sections, subsections, tables, figures. Asterisk query dependent splitting asterisk dynamically split the document based on the user's query. This requires a more complex system but can significantly improve retrieval accuracy. Asterisk chunk embedding strategies asterisk explore different strategies for embedding the chunks, such as using a single embedding for the entire chunk or embedding individual sentences within the chunk. Asterisk hybrid approaches asterisk combine multiple splitting techniques. For example, you might use recursive character splitting to get an initial set of chunks and then use semantic splitting to refine them. Asterisk hierarchical splitting asterisk split documents into hierarchical levels, example first into chapters, then into sections, then into paragraphs. This allows for different levels of retrieval granularity. Asterisk RAG fusion / ensemble retrieval asterisk implement a system that uses multiple splitters and retrieval strategies in parallel and then combines the results to improve accuracy. Choosing the right level and implementation. The best text splitting strategy depends on several factors. Asterisk the nature of your text asterisk how complex, structured, or nuanced is it? Asterisk the type of LLM you're using asterisk what are its token limits and specific needs? Asterisk the types of queries you expect asterisk what are users likely to ask? Asterisk your performance requirements asterisk how important is retrieval accuracy, and how much computational resources are you willing to spend? Asterisk your retrieval strategy asterisk how will you actually query and rank the chunks? General recommendations asterisk. Asterisk start simple asterisk begin with recursive character splitting as a good default. Asterisk consider token limits asterisk if you're working with token-based LLMs, use token splitting. Asterisk prioritize semantics asterisk if retrieval accuracy is critical, experiment with semantic splitting. Asterisk iterate and evaluate asterisk test different splitting strategies and evaluate their impact on retrieval performance using metrics like precision, recall, and F1 score. Asterisk fine-tune asterisk adjust the parameters, chunk size, overlap, to optimize performance. Important considerations asterisk. Asterisk chunk size and overlap asterisk larger chunk sizes provide more context but can reduce the precision of the retrieved results. Larger overlap helps ensure that related information is not split across chunks. Experiment with different values to find the optimal balance. Asterisk vector database asterisk the choice of vector database can also impact the effectiveness of text splitting. Some vector databases are better suited for certain types of embeddings or chunk sizes. Prompt engineering. The way you prompt the LLM after retrieving the chunks can also have a significant impact on the quality of the generated output. By carefully considering these factors and experimenting with different techniques, you can effectively split your text and improve the performance of your NLP applications. Good luck.